Hello, friends. I'm here to talk today about a special breathing technique that can help quiet your mind and reduce the stress that you experience on demand. It's called the 478 breath. It's even been referred to as a natural tranquilizer because it interrupts your body's stress response and switches you into a relaxed state immediately. For that reason, this technique is especially useful when you're having trouble sleeping, but it can be used anytime, anywhere that you want to feel relaxed. The 478 technique was developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, a world renowned expert on integrative medicine, and is based on an ancient Indian breath technique called the pranayama. Here's how it works. I'll explain it first, and then we can try it together. You'll start by exhaling the air in your lungs, and then inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. And while you do this, you can place the tip of your tongue at the point just behind your front teeth on the palate. You'll want to inhale deeply through the nose and exhale through your mouth, making a whoosh sound like this. Let's try it. In for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. You can do this pattern for a total of 4 times, so repeat it 4 times. This pattern of breathing has the opposite effect of the short, shallow breaths that we often resort to when we're feeling stressed or anxious. With the 478 breath, we deliberately inhale a full, deep breath and hold it for a sustained time, which allows the body to get lots of oxygen. And then let out a long exhale, ensuring that the lungs are fully emptied, and this process calms the central nervous system. If you're anything like me, you want to know why something works, the science behind it, right? In the case of the 478 breath, the slow, deep breaths activate the stretch receptors around the diaphragm, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which decreases your heart rate and blood pressure, decreases cortisol, the stress hormone, puts us in a rest and digest mode, causes our muscles to relax, reduces anxiety and restlessness, and can even initiate sleep. Use this technique anytime you feel nervous or anxious or when you're trying to fall asleep. It's not like taking a sleeping pill, but it definitely has a calming effect on the body and the mind, acting like a switch in your brain to activate the body's relaxation mechanisms. I hope this little tip is helpful to you today.